It's recording, okay. See that airplane way up there?
I do see it.
I'm in a warning zone right now, it said, so fly with caution.
A warning zone?
Yeah,
Is that plane right there?
You can only fly so close to an airport. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. And you're recording then?
Yeah.
Do like a slow circle.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, yes it is. It's nice to have the sunshine in there too, though. That's pretty cool. Which way is it facing right now? This way or that way?
Coming towards us.
Okay.
There we are. Little birds checking it out. Look at them.
You sure it's birds and not bats?
Could be bats.
They look like bats. Make sure they don't buzz it out of the sky because they think it's a bug or something.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Look at it. They might bonk it. Oh my gosh, we attracted like five bats.
Look at that. This screen.
Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. It's what it looks like too. Get some pictures of like those clouds and stuff. It's
I'll
pretty
go
cool.
up.
Or come down low and kind of, not low, like water low, but look at all the bats. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. They're swarming it practically.
Hey, there's a boat
Look
coming.
at-
Let's get a picture of that.
Look at all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like you're calling in the bats. Oh my God. Are you getting pictures of them?
Yeah.
Look at them all. Get it. You better bring it back.
Which way am I
All of
facing?
them. Huh? Exit this mode, confirm.
We gotta get back over here and bring her back.
Is it going to bring the bats towards us? Oh my goodness. Where are you going?
Trying to come down.
But come back over here before you come down. Holy crap, look at all these bats. No, I'm afraid. Come over us before you drop it in the water by accident.
Jeez.
Did you get your friends?
I couldn't get it down fast enough.
Oh my goodness, look at all of them. You called them in.
That was crazy.
Do you think they were were you getting pictures of that?
I think so.